Hi everyone, as your Microsoft OneNote notebooks grow, finding the right note can become difficult if everything is scattered around. The good news is that OneNote includes several built-in tools to help you keep your notes organized and easy to find. In this tutorial, I'll show you the best ways to organize your notes step by step. So let's jump in. Start by using notebooks for major categories like work, school, or personal. Inside each notebook, create sections for different subjects or projects, and then add pages for individual topics. This structure keeps everything grouped in a logical way. Next, give every page and section a descriptive title. Instead of generic names like notes or ideas, use titles that clearly explain the content. This makes browsing your notebook much faster. If you're working on a larger project, create subpages to keep related information together. Subpages allow you to organize supporting notes under one main page, making long notebooks much easier to navigate. OneNote also lets you add tags to important notes. For example, you can mark tasks, questions, important ideas, or follow-up items. Tags make key information stand out and help you find it quickly later. You can drag sections and pages into a better order whenever you need to. If your version of OneNote supports it, assign different colors to sections so you can recognize categories at a glance. It's a simple change that makes navigation much easier. Finally, whenever you need a specific note, use the search bar. OneNote can search through page titles, typed text, tags, and even text inside many images, so finding information usually takes only a few seconds. And that's how to organize your notes in Microsoft OneNote. By using notebooks, sections, pages, tags, and search together, you'll spend less time looking for information and more time getting things done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.